Hi, I'm Carla with Carla Dreyer Design. I'm a values-based interior designer and stylist, and I am here to help you elevate your home. Now today I want to talk about curtains, because this is one of the, I was going to say simplest, but yeah, simplest and most impactful ways I think to elevate your home. I was doing a consultation just this week actually, and one of the biggest thing, even though this client had beautiful furniture and everything, was the curtains. So let me give you a few tips about it because it's one of my most commonly asked questions. So, to curtain or not to curtain? Now, first thing is you want to know your style, as I always say. So if you don't know your style, take my free design quiz below. But when to use curtains and what curtains to use. So I'll tell you what I like to do as a rule of thumb. I do like to add curtains when you've got a large window. I think it really softens a space. I think that, you know, our furniture is rather linear. We've got the square of the window, and just having a curtain will really soften it. Now, what kind of curtain to go for? Now, this is my personal choice, but I'll give you some others, is I like a linen cotton blend. You can get them at a lot of Restoration Hardware, Pottery Barn, West Elm, all the big box stores are selling them now. So you don't necessarily have to get a custom if your window height is kind of an average size. But I will tell you a tip that I do when I buy them off shelf like that is to double up on the panels. So if you're getting just a simple big box, cotton linen curtain, get a double panel on each side. And that way it'll make it look that much more full and that much more custom. Another, same mistake, but I'll say mistake, I see with curtains is not hanging them high enough. So you really want the rod to go either all the way up almost to the crown molding or between the window ledge and the crown molding in the middle. This just elongates the room, it opens it up, it makes it feel more elevated. And so this is a case where if you do have high ceilings, you may have to get something custom done, but really when you hang the curtain low, it actually just cuts off the room and doesn't do it any favors at all. My next thing we talk about curtains is I do get questions about should I do a pattern curtain or not. And most of the time, I'm gonna be honest, when I've been at client's house and I see a pattern curtain, it doesn't look good. Now, I shouldn't say that. If they had a designer do it and it's matching everything else, it can be amazing. And in kids' rooms and stuff, it can be super fun. But if we're just kind of buying off the shelf a pattern, unless it's really working with the other textiles in the room, it doesn't often work. So where it can work, if you have a neutral room and you're wanting to add some color in the curtain, you can definitely do that, and then you can pull out that color and accessorize it in other places. And then lastly, thinking about functionality, I'm really talking about curtains a little bit right now more from a design and softening and elevating the room perspective. If you do need a curtain, obviously for blackout and things like that, there are options you can look at as well. A lot of times what I'll do for clients is get like a roller shade that comes down from the window, but still put really nice curtain panels at the side to soften that up. So that's another option to look at. So to curtain or not to curtain, I do say to curtain. To sum it up, I do usually go with neutral. You can do big box curtains, just make sure you get a double panel. I want you to hang it really as high as possible to the ceiling. Go for a really simple rod. I usually like a black rod, but you can go whatever. It really doesn't matter, just I like to go really simple. For curtain height, make sure it just kind of skims on the ground. Do not have it too short. It's like wearing too short of pants. Make sure it skims on the ground. And if you do want to do a pattern curtain, what I would really suggest to pull it together is make sure the colors are either already in the furniture you have, or pull out a few of those colors from the pattern and sprinkle that around your room. So I hope that helps. If this was helpful, please like this video. I hope you are subscribed. My free design quiz is below, and let me know your thoughts to curtain or not to curtain. We'll see you next time.